Hello, my dear friends. I hope you're doing well. Welcome back to Tours and Journey. Here we are again with a new list of great places for you to visit. Here we are going to explore a beautiful town named Coorg in the state of Karnataka in South India. Coorg, a beautiful coffee producing hill station in Karnataka, is not only about coffee plantations and romantic scenery. It also includes a lot more experiences. The experiences in Coorg for a traveler is noteworthy for exploring every detail of culture and history of Coorg. Starting from Madikeri Fort and Raja's Seat, the history of Coorg unfolds and then pages the way to explore the scenic part in Mandalapatti village. Reaching the peak top of Pushpagiri Wildlife Sanctuary, we get to know why Coorg is called the Scotland of the East. So let's have a look at the list of 7 best places to visit in Coorg. So let's begin with our list. Number 1 on our list is Abbey Falls, which is popularly also known as Abbi Falls. Waterfalls are always romantic and adds to the scenic beauty of a hill station. Travelers are always eager to search for waterfalls in a hill station, and this waterfall is the most famous one in Coorg. A series of 150 steps and a walk of around 10 minutes will lead us to the waterfall surrounded by forests of coffee and paper trees. The waterfall is quite wide but medium-sized in height and has a dilapidated hanging bridge in front. Only 8 kilometers from the center of the town, Abbey Falls is a delight to watch, not only due to its cascading nature on the river Kaveri, but also due to the private dense forests of coffee and spice plantation, which adds to the serenity of this place. This waterfall is one of the most famous tourist spots in Coorg. Number 2 on our list is Raja's Tomb. Raja's Tomb is just 4 kilometers from Raja's place with an entry fee of Rs 10 per head, and one can reach by car right in front of the gate. The building complex has a statue of Lord Shiva Linga and Nandi, so one can imagine how secular the Kodagu kings were as they respected all kinds of religion. The carvings of Lord Shiva and his bull surrounding the tomb in the middle suggests the Indo-Islamic style of architecture of those days, an open religion that matters the most for the Kodagu kings. So let's move on to our next one, which is a third one, Chikli Reservoir, also known as Chikli Dam. This place is a must-visit destination near Coorg and Kushalnagar. It is only 15 kilometers from the main town of Coorg and is easily accessible by road. The dam is built on one of the tributaries of river Kaveri, so it is abundant with water all the year round. Travelers must be careful not to venture into the waters of the reservoir, as it is a natural habitat of crocodiles. The place is blessed with huge waters of the reservoir and thick forests, so traveler will find peace and solace in visiting this offbeat tourist place near Coorg. So let's move on to the next one, which is a beautiful fort, Madikeri Fort. Madikeri Fort is situated in the heart of Coorg city and easily accessible by road. Cars can go right in front of the main gate of the fort, and so reaching this place is quite easy. Just in front of the fort main gate is a church which was rebuilt by the British officers after it was handed over to the East India Company when the Sultan was defeated. The fort was founded by King Muduraja and is also known as the Fort Merkara. The fort also has a palace which is now used as the office of DC. Later, the fort was renovated and built by Tipu Sultan, and he named it as Jafarabad. The palace inside the fort has a museum which shows different weapons used in the era of Tipu Sultan. There is no entry fee to visit the fort. The fort is now maintained by the Government of India and is a preserved tourist place of Coorg. There are also 2 huge elephants and a small park built inside the forts for the tourists. Madhukari Fort has different elegant corners for photographers as it offers the dilapidated church and palace surrounded by the ancient huge walls of the fort. All these give a splendid time to experience and know about the ancient history of Coorg. After going through the pages of history of Coorg, let's move on to the natural beauty. Next one on our list is Mandalapatti Peak, an offbeat and adventurous place in Coorg. This village offers stunning view of the Western Ghats. It is situated at a 2-hour journey from the main city center and one has to book local SUVs as private vehicles are not allowed due to the off-road conditions. The visit to this village consists of a waterfall and Pushpagiri Wildlife Sanctuary, which is a peak of the Western Ghats mountain top. As I mentioned Pushpagiri Wildlife Sanctuary, let's talk about that, which is the next one on our list. Pushpagiri Wildlife Sanctuary, which is situated on a mountain top to watch the sunset. One has to take a 200-meter trek uphill through rocky terrain. The view from the top is majestic. Mandalapatti has severe road conditions and a traveler may feel stressed out to reach this place, but after reaching the top, the view will definitely blow your mind. Your body and mind will get rejuvenated. You can click numerous pictures of the serene beauty of the Western Ghats. That view definitely proves why Coorg is known as Scotland of the East. Last but not the least on our list is a beautiful place known as Raja's Seat. Raja's Seat was built by the Kodagu kings to enjoy beautiful sunsets with their queens. Raja's Seat is perhaps the most popular place in Coorg and situated close to the city centre near Stuart Hill. The entry fee is Rs 10 per head. Raja's Seat welcomes us with a beautiful park where statues of animals have been built so children coming here can enjoy a delightful time. As the name suggests, here the kings who ruled Coorg in the 17th century used to come here with their queens and enjoy a peaceful time overlooking the Coorg Valley and coffee plantations. The place is more like a viewpoint where tourists come here to enjoy the best sunset over the valleys of the Western Ghats. Raja's Seat has a Gandhi Mandap where remains of our father of the nation have been kept. The park and artificial fountains are added beauty for recreation in this place. Raja's Seat has an arch-like platform which acts as a viewpoint for the cliffs and lush greenery of the mountains. So guys, that was all for today. I hope you liked the video. Please like and share the video. Also subscribe the channel to know more about such places. You can also comment down your suggestions and requests below in the comment section. Be safe. Thank you.